Hello and welcome back to Steaming with Steve. Today we're going to keep going on with our algebra homework, and this time we're going to work into the substitution method. So let's jump on in. So the homework we're going to have a look at is going to look like this. So we've got a whole heap of questions where we're going to inject in values and have a go. So let's go over here, start a new sheet. And let's go. Down like so, and this is Dr. Frost 8 and algebra sub. Okie dokie, here we go. Question 1. We've got x equal to 5, so we just sub that in. So we got 5 minus 4, which equals 1. Question 2, here's an incomplete function, 15 take away 9, and then you have to do something that. So 15, if we do 15 take away 9, that equals 6, and then what do we have to do to 6 to get to 11? So 6 plus 5 equals 11. So answer here is 5. Question 3. 4 lots of 4, which equals 16. Question 4. Determine the missing operation. So you had to time something. So 9 divided. So we had 9 something to this number, then we times the value by 4. That gave us out of 4. So we go backwards. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 there. So to get a 1 there, we would need to divide that by a 9. 5. We have 6 lots of 5, which equals 30. Number 6. So we have 7 minus 4 something, and then we get 15. So 7 minus 4 leaves us 3. So we need to do times that by 5. So that's timesing it by 5. 7. Substituting 18 into dividing it by negative 6. We're adding on 7. So that divided by that gives us negative 3 plus 7. Which then just equals 4. 8, 5 lots of 4 equals 20. Question 9. What's the value of a if b equals 1.8 and c equals that? Cool. So we got a equals 3 lots of 1.8 minus 0.4. And grab the calculator. Here we go, we'll go 3 times 1.8 minus 0.4. And we get 5. 10. 32 divided by 8, which just equals 4. Question 11. 5 take away 3, which equals 2. Question 12. 7 lots of 5, which equals 35. 13. 3 lots of 10, which equals 30. 14. 4 minus 3, which equals 1. 15. 9 squared minus 14. 9 squared minus 14, 67. 16. 32 divided by 8 minus 9. So that equals 4 minus 9, which then equals negative 5. 17. So 45 divided by 9 plus 17, which equals 5. Hang on. Yep, 5 plus 17. So then gives us 22. Question 18. 6 squared plus 20, which equals 36 plus 20, which equals 56. Question 19. We have 2.2 times 5 plus 3, all divided by 7. Two 2.2 times 5 plus 3. That gives us 14. And then we divide that by 7 and we get a 2. 20. So you have one lot of 5 plus 4, which then just equals 9. 21. 5 lots of 4 plus 1, which equals 21. J and K stands for two numbers, so double J equals half of K. So 2J equals K on 2. Write numbers to complete the sentence below. So I'm going to change this around a little. K equals 4Js. So when J equals 5, the first one, so J equals 5. K equals 4 lots of 5, which then equals 20. And then the other one is when J is equal to the unknown, K equals 44. So we just sub that in. So we'll go 44 equals 4Js. So divide that by 4, divide that by 4. J equals 11. 23. Formula can be used to work out the cost of rails, hiring the number of bicycles and guitar. So the cost equals 65 times the number of days plus 44. Galia hired a bike and guitar for 14 days. Work out the cost. Cool. So we'll go cost is 65 times the 14 days plus the 44. Just grab the calculator. So 65 times 14 plus 44. And we get 954. Okay, worded question. So a farmer has 37 kilograms of potato. So this is 24. So the potato equals 37. He puts some of the potatoes in a small sack and he puts the rest of the potatoes in the large sack. The total weight of the potatoes in the large sack is 13 kilograms more than the total weight of the small sack. What's the total weight in the small sack? Okay, so I'll change this a little bit. The small sack plus the big sack equals 37. And then it says, what do we got here? The total weight in the potatoes in the large sack is 13 kilograms more than the small sack. So the big sack equals the small sack plus 13, sorry. So wherever there's a B, I can now substitute that into it. So the small sack plus the small sack plus 13 equals 37. Then 2 of the small sacks plus 13 equals 37. Take away 13, take away 13. So 2 small stacks equals 24. So small stack equals 24 divided by 2. Then so small stack equals 12. And then we know the big stack equals 12 plus 13, which equals 25. So therefore, the big equals 25 kg, and the small equals 12 kg. And we'll highlight that because that's a bit of a problem-solving question. Highlight that one, and we'll highlight that one as well. Awesome. So hopefully that's picked up some of the skills that you needed there. Pretty much just substituting the values in is really just quite simple. Make sure you wrap it up in curly bracket and in a normal parentheses, as that makes it heaps easier for you to try and get your head around what's happening in there. That's it from me. If you did like the video, give us a like and subscribe, as it does help with that YouTube algorithm. And yeah, see you next time on STEAM with Steve. Adios.